Which government policy is designed to stabilize agricultural prices and incomes? A. Import tariffs. B. Subsidies and price supports. C. Environmental regulations. D. Export restrictions. The correct answer is letter B. Subsidies and price supports. Paano po bang malalaman na ang tamang sagot ay letter B? Ganito po ang gawin nyo. Hanapin nyo ang keyword. Ano po ang keyword dyan sa question na iyan? Sige nga, bakit kailangan pang alamin ang keyword? Ang keyword iyon ay magiging guide natin sa tamang sagot. Iyon ang kahalagahan ng keyword. So, ang keyword sa question na ito ay stabilize agricultural prices and incomes. Explanation of the keyword stabilize agricultural prices and incomes points to policies like subsidies and price supports that aim to maintain stable farm incomes and market conditions.